Designing in Figma is awesome, but have you ever thought about making it a real website without the help of a developer? I've got a secret sauce and I'll share it with you today. With just a plugin called Figma to HTML with Figma, I can easily turn my Figma design into a website, and so can you. Let me show you how it's done quickly. Head to figma.com and click on Start for Free today, then click on New Project. After that, impute the same dimension you have on your Figma design in here. Once you're done, you head to Figma. Make sure you don't copy everything at the same time. What you're going to do is copy a part of it. Once you've copied it, you head straight to Resources and go to Plugin and impute Figma to HTML with Figma. Once you've done that, you click on it. Once you click on it, you head back to figma.com and Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're using a Mac. Once that is done, make sure you arrange it. Sometimes it might be scattered actually, but you can actually just move it around and arrange it. Head back to Figma and follow the exact steps all over again. Do that for the rest of the website. I'm going to fast forward this so that we don't have to waste time here. After you're done with everything, just hit publish. And voila, my website is ready. It looks just like my Figma design. To learn more about Figma, click the link on my bio and use the promo code Figma25Influencer to get 25% off your first 3 months of mini and basic site subscription. And also, don't forget to hit the follow button. See you in the next video.